As transitional rules can be complex, we curated a series of transition scenario videos to prepare you for the 8% GST rate change effective 1st January 2023. GST Transitional Scenario 1. Invoice amounting $1,000 with 7% GST issued before rate change. Full payment received after rate change. Services delivered after rate change. In this video, the $1,000 invoice with 7% has been created on 20th of December 2022. Due to the payment received and services performed after the rate change, you should charge 8% GST. Next, proceed to offset the 7% invoice by issuing a credit note to cancel the original tax invoice with 7% GST. Please ensure to enter a negative amount and choose the 7% tax code. To knock off the invoice, go to the Returns and Credits tab, select the credit note and click Apply to Sale. Select the invoice which you would like to knock off and press Tab on your keyboard. Please ensure you enter the correct date before proceeding to next step. Once done, you may issue a new tax invoice for the 1,000 sale with 8% GST. Please ensure you choose the 8% tax code and click on Record. Lastly, proceed to record the receipt for payment for the tax invoice created with 8% GST rate. Thank you for watching this video.